Okay, world, how you doing? This is the final repair, replacing the rusted out liquid lined filter dryer on the ice-o-matic ice1406HA5. Here comes the recovery of refrigerant. Started out with the jug at 18 pounds 9 ounces.
Hey world, how you doing? Recovery of refrigerant. Hooked up low and high, the Testo 557s. Weighed the jug beforehand, 18 pounds 9 ounces. Pulled it out. Cut it. Put a magnet on the coil here to help with the recovery. Only got one coil right now. I gotta get another one, but I talked to the factory. They said it's fine. You can pull this machine without energizing the coils. I'm gonna energize one though. They just said it takes longer, which makes sense. But anyhow, that's the dryer down there. I gotta replace. It's all rusty. I can feel it on the bottom, leaking. Only pulled out like a pound of refrigerant. This is like, look at how messed up this is to work on this thing. Like, anyways, I can't even take this power wire off without. I gotta go get a little socket to get in there. And replacing this contactor and these relays, it's gonna be a real bitch if I have to do that. It's like, what a pain in the ass. You gotta take this cover off here and the micro switch. Oh man. Anyways, so down 2 inches of vacuum holding, so got everything recovered out. So let me weigh this jug up and see what I pulled out of it. There's a scale, zeroed. It is 18 pounds 9 ounces. Before I started, and got a whopping 19 pounds 13 ounces. About a pound and pound 5 ounces, something like that, pulled out. Yeah, definitely not much refrigerant in that baby. So it takes 60 ounces, 60 on the ounces. So yep, my recovery unit here. This thing, man, I've had forever. This is a good recovery unit. If you ever see one of these things around, this is called a Fluoromizer, model 3500. I don't know if any other guys use for this, but this thing kicks butt. It's not too heavy either. I don't know, I can pick it up with one hand. Real easy, probably about, I don't know, 30 pounds. Hey, Dave, how much is that Mr. 45 weigh? You're wondering. Anyways, so alright, I gotta get into it. Alright, time to sand that tubing and cut that dryer out of there and see what I got. Alright. Okay, it's all sanded, ready to be cut. Kind of standing like this, doing this, kind of the best way, I guess. Okay, world, how you doing? Documenting this just for records here. This is 9/21/2017. This dryer, I'm going to be taken out of here, but I'm just removing the floor here to see what's going on under here. And it's, the dryer must have rusted out. I cut this, just documenting that I'm removing this insulation on this day. because of a rusted out dryer, and you can see the floor. Check this stuff out. And this is only a 2013 machine. It was made. There's a serial model and serial number on it. So, oh man, this is really. Why is the bottom of the dryer getting wet? Has the dryer got a restriction in it? And sweating? I wonder. Huh. Machine works good when you put refrigerant in it. But I'm guessing. Huh. It must be, I'll bet it's like dew point. I bet it's like the temperature of the dryer is temperature of the dryer is warm. Ice is down there. It's the bottom of the ice machine, so it's kind of condensing. The moisture is condensing in the warm area because the dryer is going to be warming that area up, and so you probably got the moistures coming out of it and doing that there. So, well, okay. Man, 3-year-old ice machine. Actually 4 years old, but who knows when it was put in, but it's not good. Alright, anyhow. I'm gonna cut the dryer out. See what's up. Sorry about that. Okay, so I got the dryer out of this thing. Now there's the dryer was like in there, it was like that, and it was like that, yeah. Anyways, yeah, not good. Definitely not good. Thing's trashed for being 3 or 4 years old. So, wow. And the bottom of that rug insulator. So, do some re-engineering here. Let's see what I'm gonna do with that. Let's see what I got going on here. I got it cut out. To sand that rust off of there. I'm gonna sand it and do something. I don't know if that's painted or what down there. I'm seeing this looks like, I'm guessing it's a painted surface. Yeah, I'm not gonna sand it. I don't want to bust through the paint. I'll have to just scrub it a bit, and I'm gonna hopefully put a piece of unistrut down there and put the dryer up on a piece of unistrut and put the insulation back down there and see how it goes. All right. Got lots of play, I think. So that line goes all the way that way. So it's all long that way. I can go up. Yeah, I can go up, and got lots of play here. That line just goes right into there. So it's going right into there. So oh man. Why'd I put the thing down there? Almost would be nice to just put the damn dryer up here. Here's a line right here. But that would change the charge. I can't do that. Alright, thanks. Okay, world. Got the dryer welded in. There, it's sweated in. It actually turned out to be not as difficult as I thought it was going to be, because there's so much length in these. The liquid line coming off the condenser is coming all the way from over there, and the line's so long, and this one is coming up to right here to this pipe, so it's the line's so long. I was able to raise it like 6 inches off of the floor, and you can see, hopefully, there's the weld. I'm using 56% to not have, to have less temperature on the dryer. So, and there's a mirror on the floor. Trying this out for so that mirror you get in the grocery store for like $5 for in the hair aisle where the hair salon stuff is for the brushes and stuff. But that should be pretty good there. I already checked it. It looks good. So I have noticed a little bit of pitting. See something here for a second. I'll move the mirror over to the other weld so you guys. Oh, let me see. Okay. See if the other weld comes out. So look at that. So the 56 is much lower temperature, so that's why I go for that. And like I said, I was able to pull it up high, so and just be able to just brought the torch in from the right side, and just did a, like from the right side, and there you go, and yep, talking to myself, man. Nobody else will talk to me. Okay, world, how you doing? This is ice-o-matic ice1406. This is how I redid. This is the final picture of replacing the dryer. How I mounted it. You got to be careful when you remount it that the liquid line doesn't touch the compressor back there. You got to make sure you got clearance, and also the liquid line doesn't hit the compressor over here. So you're going to make sure you clear there and clear over there, so that the liquid line doesn't hit the compressor. This is the ice. 1406. Hey world, how you doing? This is the final pressures. I've got 60 ounces, 60 ounces of R404, and it's just going into defrost right now. You can hear it just crackling. So good timing, kind of actually. So unit's all charged up. It's got 60 ounces, R404. Dropped a couple of loads already. We got already. Your pressures. Defrost, and we got the left, and we got the right. Okay, about a 1 minute defrost cycle, harvest. Okay, 1 minute harvest. These are our pressures coming back into line. Pretty good water flow. That's the next thing to do after getting this thing all running. Got the new dryer in it. sensors at almost 2 minutes. We got like a minute. This is only 30 seconds out of actually out of defrost. Out of harvest, rather. So anyways, if you guys are wondering what the ambient in the room is, I have my test stove up here with the ambient going in here, and we have an ambient of 80, about 82, 81, 82, something like that. There's our ambient. That's our air entering the condenser, and looks like our condenser is pretty clean and efficient. We got 20 degree TD across the condenser, 82, 92, 100 degrees. Actually 30, excuse me, 82, 92, 102, 112. That's dead nuts for 30 degree TD across the condenser. 10 degree evap, 43 suction, 282, and we have a 11 degrees of subcooling, which is nice. This is 2 TXVs on this thing, so we have, I'm measuring the suction temperature, about 12 inches from the compressor, something like that, 6 to 8 or 9 inches maybe, just past the elbow. Why we got so much superheat is because the liquid line is superheating the, right before this, where the temperature reading is. I should be reading it. I should have moved the clamp down, but the insulation, that's hard to get to, so I just put it in the easy spot. So it's probably seeing some of the, where the liquid line is tied to it, they're subcooling the liquid line. So it's only about a few inches, probably 2 inches or 2 or 3 inches away from where the liquid line is being subcooled on the suction line, so where they got it tied to it. So, but all I care about is we got 10 degrees of subcooling, which is perfect. Pressures are real nice, 280 pounds pressure. We're at 3.5 minutes out of the harvest cycle. So that's cool. And that's that. Temperature. Our temperature of our liquid line is 102. That's 20 degrees over ambient. 68 degrees at that point where I'm measuring the suction temperature. It's a little warm, I wish it, but I weighed the charge in 60 ounces, so I'm just doing it as the factory, and putting it exactly where it was at, so, but just giving you guys a reference point. That temperature will come down. Because they're subcooling that liquid line again, you can't go by your superheat of where I have the clamp. But all I care about is the subcooling and pressures. We're under 300 on the head, so we're good to go. Hey, Lupe. Okay. We're good to go. And that's it. So click like on the video and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.
Hey world, this is just some end-rolled footage of me showing the solenoid magnet, the type and the model number of what I used. And this is just some end-roll pictures during the job. As you can see, the dryer looks pretty darn nasty. It's pretty shocking that 3 or 4 years A dryer can look like that. Anyways, so I pulled the machine down to 90 microns overnight. So it was on a vacuum for 12 hours overnight to dehydrate it. And pressures turned out really nice, as you can see. Or actually, this is the vacuum, what a vacuum looks like on the 557s. This is just what the end picture of how I secured the dryer with a piece of unistrut and a unistrut clamp and a bolt. And this is me cleaning up the wiring a little bit with wire ties. It's a pretty big mess in there, so just did the best I could with some wire ties to get the wires off of any pipes, rubbing on any pipes. And that's just basically what these pictures are about. And this is just the first batch of ice that it dropped. Dropped 2 slabs coming down at one time is a lot of ice. So anyways, this is the end of the footage. So thanks for watching. Like the video, please, and subscribe. And take care. Bye.